こんにちは。Welcome to フリフリキッチン。Today, Sheena is going to make Shio Yakisoba. Yakisoba is one of the staple Japanese street food. This popular stir-fried noodle dish is usually flavored with a Worcestershire-style sauce. But today, Sheena is making a lighter, refined version called Shio Yakisoba, which means salt yakisoba in Japanese. It's also really popular in Japan. You can make Shio Yakisoba easily with simple ingredients. So let's give it a try. Okay, let's get started. Cut 120 grams of sweet hard cabbage into chunks. Cut 2 spring onions into pieces. And prepare 80 grams of beansprouts. In a bowl, place half a tablespoon of grated ginger, half a teaspoon of grated garlic, half a teaspoon of vegetable stock powder, which is just a crumble or stock cube, a quarter teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sake, half a teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix everything together and the sauce is ready. Next, gently massage one of the pre-cooked yakisoba noodles or stir-fry noodles to loosen them up. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Add the noodles and fry them for about 2 minutes, or until the bottom side is a little bit crispy and golden. Then flip and fry the other side the same. This process adds a nice toasty flavor and texture to the noodles. Once they are done, transfer the noodles to a plate and set them aside. In the same frying pan, add the cabbage, spring onions, bean sprouts, and stir fry for about 2 minutes. You don't need to cook the vegetables all the way through yet. They will finish cooking with the noodles and the sauce in a moment. Now, return the noodles to the pan. Add the sauce and stir fry everything together for about 2 minutes. Sprinkle generously with freshly ground black pepper. Transfer the Shio Yakisoba to a serving plate. Dekita! Sheena, how does it taste? Okay, Sheena said. Shio Yakisoba is simple yet the sauce has a beautifully balanced umami flavor. This comforting noodle dish is so easy to make, and she loves it just as much as the classic sauce-flavored yakisoba. Thank you for watching フリフリキッチン。ありがとう。If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye bye! またね